Hey guys, today we are in our house.
Yeah, we're in the house because we had to redo our beginning for this video because somehow we lost it.
Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to pretend we're back in Nashville where it's sunny and not snowing here, so let's go. Hey guys, today we are in Nashville, Tennessee, standing in front of the Opry Mills Mall, getting ready to head into the Rainforest Cafe. Now the Rainforest Cafe is owned by Landry's. And if you guys don't know what all Landry's owns, they own like the Gold Nugget, Joe's Crab Shack, Bubba Gump Shrimp, bunch of aquariums, just all kind of things. There are 23 of these left. We were at the one in Niagara Falls and had a good time, so we thought we would check in with this one. So are you ready to head in, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
How was that? They have a lot of merchandise in here. A lot of t-shirts. There's a nice bar.
Hello kids, my name is Tracy Tree. Everybody loves animals, from parrots to snakes, monkeys to tropical fish. They all live with me here in the rainforest.
What do you think of this store, Bobby?
It's pretty cool. I see a lot of things that I'd like to get for kids.
Oh, it's nice. Now it's raining. Got it raining up there. Read the menu from outside the restaurant. Awesome appetizer adventure for $8.99. Spinach and artichoke dip. Shrimp scampi flatbread. Soups and salad. Soup of the day for $8.99. Got a Big Island Caesar salad and a taco salad. Some pastas. Have a Creole mac and cheese. Seafood. Taste of the islands. That's what I'm going to get. Fish and chips, fried shrimp, has fish tacos and aloha salmon and shrimp, beef, pork, and chicken. You have your ribs, steak, and shrimp trio for $33.99. Some Amazon fajitas. Here's what Bobby's getting, chicken fried chicken. Jungle steak and shrimp, flat iron steak. Rainforest burger, pulled pork burger. Beyond burger and a Blue Mountain chicken sandwich. There are your add-ons with some grilled shrimp and some spare ribs, some different sides, and desserts. A volcano, $17.99. Sparkling volcano. Tribal cheesecake and key lime pie. Guys, let's just walk around and see this place. Love the aquariums in here. Go back here where we're sitting. Have the tigers. Look who's sitting next to the tigers, Bobby. Love the lighting in here also. It's not real bright. It sounds just like you're in a forest. should I say, Rainforest. Well, our food has arrived, and we better eat it before these tigers jump off and get us. There we have some scallops and shrimp, some tilapia, coconut shrimp, and some Caribbean rice, I think it's called. Bobby got more chicken than she thought she was going to get.
Yeah, I thought it only came with one piece. There's two nice big pieces there. Some red skin mashed potatoes and green beans with mushrooms in it, and then white gravy.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna try these potatoes.
It's quite a bit of mashed potatoes too.
I like when they keep the skins in them. You can tell they're real mashed potatoes. They got a really good flavor to them. They're creamy. You can taste the butter and stuff in them. Those are really nice mashed potatoes.
Green beans look good.
No, these green beans I don't think I'm gonna like.
Why not?
Because I like mine cooked, and I can just tell by the way when I put it in the fork that they're not. They're more steamed. And that's what they are.
Steamed green beans.
They got good flavor, but I don't like mine steamed. Alright, let's try that chicken. Look at that. Cuts really good, doesn't it?
It does. Looks good from here.
So I took a pretty big bite and it was hot. So I like the breading they have on that. Chicken cut like you saw, really nice. Had good flavors to it. And then we'll try this gravy. I'm just going to try the gravy by itself.
Okay. It's nice they put it on the side like that.
That's good. I'll put it on my mashed potatoes.
I like the gravy. So, what do you think? I mean, that's the chicken. I mean, look, let's take a look. Take a look under. I mean, that's two big chicken breasts.
Yeah. I think this was $19.
See, that was $19.99, so that's not bad for this place. A lot of stuff here, guys. Got the scallops and shrimp. This is called, I think it's called Dynamite. Look. It says Dynamite, shrimp, and scallops. Let's just take a look in there. There's the shrimp. Let's get some of this sauce on there. That's hot. It's almost like a buffalo sauce. I mean, to me.
What it tastes like?
Tastes like. It's spicy. Let's get, you can see it. There it is, like difference. There we go. Yeah, it's got a little spice to it. It's creamy. It's really good. The shrimps tastes great in there. Got this little pineapple salsa. Can you see that?
Yeah. What is that on?
Blackened tilapia.
Oh, okay.
Let me turn it around that way. You can probably see that
Yeah,
better.
I can see that better.
Better. Wow, you really taste the seasonings of that. Maybe quite a bit. Look, underneath there. There's quite a bit of fish there.
Mm-hmm, there is. A lot of different flavors going on there.
Yeah, I mean, look. It's
Yeah.
flaky. The seasoning that they used on top.
Now is that spicy?
I mean, it's blackened. It's a
Okay.
little spicy. This is spicier.
Is it? Okay.
But it tastes excellent. I have 4 pieces of shrimp. Pretty good size. Some dip here, some kind of tropical.
That's a coconut shrimp, right?
Coconut shrimp. Coconut shrimp. You can see the coconut on it. Try a little bit of this dip. It's done well. It's crunchy, but not overly crunchy. This salsa is just a mixture of a bunch of stuff it tastes like. I mean, maybe pineapple, maybe some mango in there.
Do you like that on?
I like it.
Do you?
I like it better than cocktail sauce on it. The coconut breading that they used on there. I'm digging it so far. A little bit of, this was called Caribbean rice.
Yeah, that looks good.
We'll have to try some of this, Bobby. It's cooked excellent. Sometimes you don't cook rice good, it's kind of hard. It's great, it tastes to it. I mean, it's $29 for this meal. It's not bad for seafood. If they're sitting around this environment, we're having a good time in here. We like it. So, I know you're paying a little more than you would somewhere else, but I'm having a good time here.
Yeah, look at all the.
We were we were the first ones here.
Yeah.
So that's why we got the great seat back here. There's the scallops in here. Now they're probably just frozen scallops. I'm sure they're not super fresh, but let's try them. It tastes great in there. With that sauce, a little spice. I like those too. The shrimp and the scallops together, great combination. We have ices here. Rainforest character ices. So they do have a pretty neat drink menu here. Okay, Bobby, got your key lime pie. That's one thing you said you were wanting.
Yes, look how beautifully they brought that out.
They did, with
the design and
raspberry sauce going all the way around
got
it.
some of the lime twisted up there. Okay.
Get you a little bit of that sauce on there. Let's take a look.
That has a definite lime taste to it. I mean, it's perfect. Just right.
It's not too tart.
No. I love key lime. You're gonna really like this.
You're making my mouth water just thinking about it. All right, guys. Bobby said this was amazing. So I'm gonna get some of that raspberry on there. You were right, Bobby. I mean, that's not overly tart at all. It just tastes, this is a great tasting key lime. And with the raspberry added to it, that's a great pie. Here's our bill at the Rainforest Cafe in Nashville. Chicken fried chicken, $19.99. Key lime, $9.79. $29.99 for Taste of the Islands. I was having a hard time focusing. It's so dark in here. But I love the lighting in this place. $65.30. Well, we just left the Rainforest Cafe. What did you think about it, Bobby?
I love the atmosphere in there. I liked when it rained and all the animals came to life. That was really cool. The food was pretty good. Mm-hmm. At first when I tried the green beans, I thought, I don't like them when they're kind of crunchy and the steamed. I like mine cooked better. But I actually ate all those green beans and they had a really good flavor to them. You tried them.
Yeah, they were good.
So they weren't as bad as I thought they were going to be. The chicken was good. It was tender, crisp. And the mashed potatoes were excellent. I love the red skin peeling in there.
And the chicken, they gave you 2 big pieces. You couldn't eat all
and
that.
it's lunchtime, so that's a lot.
I love mine. The tilapia was great with the seasoning on it, the rice, The shrimp was crunchy, tasted great. That firecracker with the scallops and the shrimp in there. It was just I thought it was a good meal. I mean, it was $29, maybe a couple dollars too much what you pay, but you're paying for the atmosphere.
Yeah, inside to see everything.
I mean, when you're sitting there, it sounds like you're in the middle of a jungle. So it was fun, and I would come back here.
I would too. And also that key lime pie, that was excellent. And our waitress, if you ever come here, ask for Liz.
Oh, she was super nice.
Super friendly. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again,
J
J
and B
have left the building. One thing we always do when we're traveling down through here, stop off, visit the grave of Charlie Daniels.